Hi everyone, this is Digital Abhi and I'm back with another WordPress tutorial. In this video, we will see how you can set any page as home page for your WordPress website. So first, let me show you how the current home page of our website looks like. So this is the current home page for our website. Now I will show you which page we will set as the new home page for our WordPress website. So this is the page which we are going to set as the new home page for our WordPress website. So let's see how we can do it. To set any page as a home page for your WordPress website, what you have to do is move on to Appearance in the left sidebar and then click on Customize. The screen will open up from where you can customize theme and your website. Now click on Front Page Content. Here you will see an option of your home page displays. You have to click on this drop down bar which says your latest post. Currently on our home page, our latest posts are being shown. But we have to set a static page as a home page for our WordPress website. So we will click on the option a static page. Now when you will click on the option of a static page, a new option will open up which says home page. Click on the drop down menu and select the home page which you want to set as a new home page for your website. So as we discussed, I will set the page HomePage 2.0 as the new homepage for our WordPress website. So I will just select it and then click on Publish to save changes. Now I will close the Customize screen. Now as you can see, it is saying that HomePage 2.2 is our front page. So let's see how it looks. So I will refresh the website. So you can see we have successfully set the page named HomePage 2.0 as homepage for our WordPress website. So this was all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed and subscribe to Digital Abhi.